This is one of Bosch's new Bagless vacuum cleaners. This particular model is the BGS52200 Bagless vacuum cleaner, also known as the GS50. This particular vacuum cleaner has a 2200 watt motor for quicker cleaning. It has sensor bag technology combined with rotation clean system to ensure the optimum lifetime performance for the machine. It has a 3 litre capacity and a 10 metre radius and 4 swivel feet for more manoeuvrability. I'll just show you some of the features of the vacuum cleaner. As you can see, the hose attaches nicely, fits in there so you can store it into a cupboard. Then remove that. You've got extra attachments on here, so they're always at hand. Nice rewindable cable, I'll just plug it in. Inside here we have our filter, which just lifts out like so, and you can remove this and just empty your dust away. It just slots in there like that. And this fits in here. The vacuum cleaner has adjustable settings, so you have curtains, carpets, rugs and the maximum setting. I'll turn the vacuum cleaner on. We've got an adjustable floor head for carpets or hard floors, laminate floors. You can turn the setting up. Telescopic hose. When you finish, it turns off like so. Slots back down. Unplug it. With one cable, and this just slots in there. It's Bosch's Bagless vacuum cleaner.